Are you always left wondering whether that special someone is interested in taking your friendship to the next level, and if the signs you're picking up on are just friendly gestures or something more? Let's talk about it. Today, we're delving into the 10 signs that suggest that she wants you to make a move, so if you're ready to unravel the mysteries of attraction, stick around. Sign number 1, she initiates contact. This could be anything from a simple hello to a friendly nudge. It's like she's reaching out to you, trying to get your attention. If she's the one who initiates the interaction, whether it's starting a conversation, sending the first message, or being the first one to establish physical contact, it's an undeniable indication of her interest. Consider it as her way of trying to tune into your frequency. Therefore, if she's the one making the first move, it's her way of demonstrating her interest in you. 2. Her facial expressions change when she is with you. This is a big one. If her eyes get bigger when she looks into her eyes, if she blinks more around you, if she smiles gently whenever you come around, it's a strong indicator of her interest. These are meaningful exchanges that involve a level of intimacy. So, that's a sign she wants you to make a move. Like and subscribe if you are enjoying our content. 3. She flirts with you. Flirting is a universal language of attraction, and when she's flirting with you, it's a pretty clear sign of her interest. Picture this. You're at a cafe, she's playfully teasing you, laughing at your jokes, and maybe even touching your arm lightly during the conversation. These are classic flirting techniques. She's not just being friendly, she's creating a connection and showing her attraction. If she's sending flirty vibes your way, she's likely waiting for you to make a move. Sign number 4, she shows genuine interest in your hobbies. Actively tries to understand and engage in your hobbies. This could range from joining you in your favorite video, accompanying you to your beloved sports events, or even tasting your favorite cuisine for the first time. It's her way of conveying that she enjoys not just your company, but also the activities that make you, you. She's willingly investing her time into what you love, which, as we all, is a precious commodity. If she's continuously making an effort to participate in your hobbies, it's a clear indication that she's probably hoping you'll make a move. 5. She changes her behavior around you. If you know she talks differently around you, or laughs gently around you, or try to be more of your type, all these changes in behavior are a clear indication that she wants to come in your good books. So, if she's constantly laughing at your jokes, she's likely signaling for you to make a move. 6. She introduces you to her friends. This is a clear sign of her interest. Just imagine you're out for a coffee, and she bumps into a group of her friends. Instead of keeping you separate, she introduces you, and you suddenly find yourself chatting with her inner circle. It's a big step. She's showing you off, testing the waters, and seeking approval from those she trusts. If she's introducing you to her close circle, she's probably waiting for you to make a move. 7. She engages in deep, meaningful conversations with you. She's interested in your personal life. She asked about your childhood, your family, your dreams, your fears. She's not just making small talk, she's digging deeper, yearning to know more about who you are beyond the surface. This is her way of connecting, of building a bridge between your world and hers. It's a clear indication of her interest in you. She's likely signaling for you to make a move. 8. She compliments you. Praise is a powerful tool in the game of attraction, and when a woman uses it on you, it's a clear signal. Imagine this scenario. You've just shared a personal achievement, and she's genuinely impressed, applauding your dedication or creativity. It's not just about your looks, it's about your character and your accomplishments. She's showing admiration and interest. If she's complimenting you often, she's probably waiting for you to make a move. 9. She seems nervous around you. It's a common misconception that confidence equals attraction. In reality, if a woman is truly interested in you, she might actually appear a bit nervous. If she's fidgeting with her hair, her hands, or her jewelry more often when you're around, she's not doing this out of discomfort, but rather because she cares about the impression she's making. If she's often nervous around you, she's likely signaling for you to make a move. 10. She tries to make you jealous. It might seem counterintuitive, but if she's sparking a tinge of jealousy in you, it's likely because she's interested. If she casually mentions how much fun she had with a male colleague at a recent work event, it's not to belittle you. She's subtly hinting her desire for your attention. She wants to gauge your reaction to see if you care. If she's trying to make you jealous, she's probably waiting for you to make a move. And there you have it, 10 signs she wants you to make a move. These are the signals she's sending your way. It's crucial to recognize them and respond appropriately. Remember, understanding these signs can save you from a lot of confusion and misunderstandings. So next time you're with her, keep these signs in mind and make your move when the time is right.